Welcome back to Ride Like a Pro 1. Today we're going to be changing the front brake lever on Green Monster. So what we're going to do now, I'm going to come over there and get y'all and bring y'all over here so you can see what I'm doing. Okay. Y'all see this? Okay, that's a good view right there. Okay, what we're going to do, we're going to be changing the front brake lever on Green Monster. The tools you're going to need a number 10 millimeter. And this is for the bottom nut. And then you're going to need a flathead screwdriver for the top. So what you want to do, you want to take your 10 mil, go under here, and one thing you want to do, you want to pull your handlebars to the right, over here to the right. Because if you back up in here, if your handlebars are up in here like this, you can't get to the nut. You see, it's blocking. So you want to pull your handlebars to the right, out here where you have access. And you want to take this 10 box end, or you can use the open end wrench. And this nut on the bottom, you want to loosen it up. And you want to take that completely off. So this is the nut. And this is the number 10 wrench. Take that off, set it to the side somewhere where you don't lose it. And then you want to take your flathead screwdriver and undo the screw on the top. And this is for the TL1000. I don't know if the rest of the motorcycles are like this, but this is for the 1000 TR. The TL1000R, I'm sorry, TL1000R Suzuki. And you take that bolt all the way out. You see, it's a Phillips head screw. And here's your Phillips head screwdriver. And you want to lay that to the side. And now what you want to do, this pulls straight out. It pulls straight out. And you want to compare, this is my old one and this is my new one. This is my new one and this is my old one. See how they look? They're identical. So the new one will fit. And this is why I had to replace the old one. It broke. Okay? So you want to take your new one, and this big end, it just slides right up, back up in your groove. See how it slides right in? Just slide it right in. And you want to look down through here and line your hole up. Push that screw in all the way till it stops. And it stops right there. It'll go so far and stop. And then you want to take your Phillips head screwdriver, your flathead screwdriver, and you screw it down all the way until it stops. It stops right there. Then you want to take your 10 millimeter nut, put it on the bottom, and screw it up snug with your fingers. And then you take your wrench, you can use the open end or you can use the box end. I prefer the box end. And snug that up just like this. It's snug. And look, that's all it was. It's done. The job is done. So it's that simple. Yeah, it's that simple. So that's going to be the end of this video. I hope you learned something. What I'd like for you to do now is like, share, and subscribe, and keep watching my videos. I'm gonna try to start making more videos. And if you've been watching my videos, first of all, my subscribers, thank y'all so much. I love y'all. God bless you. and I appreciate you. And if you've been watching my videos now, you know what I'm getting ready to say. What we want to do, we want to get back home safe to our families when we go out on these things, on these motorcycles. Some people say that's their little toy. I don't say that's my toy because it's not a toy to me. I mean, other people might say, you know, that's a toy, but I don't look at it as a toy. Okay? Like I say, like, share, and subscribe. I'm sorry. Thank you for watching my videos. And I'll see you in my next video. God bless you, and y'all have a very blessed day. And I'll see you in my next video.